I will share 3 stocks for intraday trading for tomorrow, 9th August, Monday. Hello, I'm Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty with more than 4 years of experience. I earned 12% return for July month after cost. So the first stock is Atul Finance. So it is currently trading at 89. It is forming a good pattern and the volumes are increasing and is trying to move up. It can move towards 92 and 93. So stop loss can be at 88. Moving to the second stock, which is Amara Raja battery. It's an auto stock. Again, it is closing about 20 moving average and it can move towards 750. So the exact levels we will discuss later. The third stock is Indian Oil. Again, a good formation. Petrol stocks are showing a good uptrend. So as we can see here, the volumes are increasing and it is trying to move above 200 moving average. So it can move towards 108 and 109. So these are the 3 stock picks for intraday trading. So the exact levels I will be sharing on my Telegram channel tomorrow morning before market open. So always risk less than 1% of your capital in any given trade, and the link of my Telegram channel is in the description. My next paid webinar on my Bank Nifty strategy is on 14th August Saturday. Details in the description. Fees just 2,999. Thank you for watching. Learn trading and earn from trading. See you in the next